Hi everybody, thank you for joining me here at Shanna's Sweets. I appreciate you coming by. I have this super cute card that I made using the bird ballad, free as a bird stamp set. It is super pretty and a very versatile stamp set. I am also using the laser cut paper that is super pretty, and I cut it all up, but this background paper comes as a 12 by 12, and then it also has some other sheets that can be, here's the other sheets. You get 3 sheets of this as a 12 by 12, and then you get 3 sheets of this with panels. So these I haven't cut up yet. But I made swap cards using this, so I cut 3 sheets into the corner panels. I cut here 4 by 5 1/4, and I got 12. So that's why I've made 12 cards. So that's what these parts here are cut into. And it's turned out super pretty as a background to my cards. So I'm going to show you how I've done this. So we're going to start with, like I said, I cut this into the corners, and what I'm doing is going to take some glue dots, which I need to open up a new box, and I'm going to take my Picket tool. I need to change it back over to the pointy part, and I'm going to flip. I want the vanilla side up, so I just take some dots and place them in big spots here, mainly on the corners, of course, because we want spots that are going to be the edges, of course. So and then big open spots. Now mind you, this circle is going to go in a big spot, so once I have my circle down, we know that spot's going to be covered up too, and we can put more dots behind it on spots that, you know, may be showing. Go ahead and take this, and this piece of paper is 4 by 5 1/4. So I want to line it up on the edge. And press down. And then I can look at it more and see if what's sticking up. Like this piece here is kind of sticking up, so I need to stick a glue dot down there. If I have other edges I feel like may catch or stick up, then I'm going to stick a glue dot behind them. And then I'm going to take my reversible ribbon, which is Pretty Peacock and Old Olive. I'm going to tape a little long here, so I'm going to cut it in half. And I kind of want the Pretty Peacock sticking upright, I think. So kind of got it going right about there. So I'm going to fold it across. And this will also help stick down any of that paper. So now, So my circle is just a large stitch die circle of thick vanilla, and I've already got my bird and my hello sentiment on a block, and I'm going to stamp that in Memento Black. And then I'm using Daffodil Delight Light blend, and color my bird. And then I'm going to use light soft suede, and I'm going to do its little feathers in the back here. And then I'm going to take the dark and go just a little bit above the brown part of the feathers. And then I take the light again and kind of blend out that dark daffodil, and a little bit more here on the belly. That kind of blends it. And it'll fade a little bit as it sets. And then I have a Mango Melody, just regular Stampin' Right marker. You could use the blend if you wanted for its beak. And then I'm going to take some dimensionals to put on the back. And this will help me see where I'm going to put. So then I can reinforce some more here if I need to, like there. And you can smush these glue dots to make them smaller. If that is the glue dots too big, it will smush down. So see, this is, then we can put that a little bit tighter there. There we go. That is going to go on our pretty peacock. Like that. And then we're going to take just a little bit more ribbon and slide it under there and tie a knot. And just trim it. Slide our knot over to where we want it. And there you go. That's our card. Pretty cute. Pretty. So that's our card for this time. I hope you'll join me some more for the pretty cards featuring different product from the annual catalog. If you'd like these or any other product, please use the August host code, and you can, if you spend $25, you can get my sweet treat for the month of August, which is featuring parcels and petals. So if you have any questions, please email me. I'll be glad to help you. Thank you so much. Bye.